Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on Palantir on March the 3rd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, on pre-market hours at $87.2. And my main assumption was that we have basically several possibilities of its upcoming movements, but all these three options have first wave in common. All of them should hit higher targets from the lowest point that was established, that was set basically at roughly $80, slightly below $80 mark. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, we are still hovering sideways, and it means, guys, we are still on our path to hit higher targets, and this is one of my assumptions that Palantir has to retrace to the levels, let's say, beginning from 0.082, and it might have either triangle pattern, or let me show you somewhere here. I told you, wait a second. We might have ABC correction to the downside, and this correction also has a common wave to the upside, to its B wave, and then it has to have another leg to the downside to complete the C wave. And guys, for now we are still here, we are still hovering above the level of 70, let's say $78.71, and it is a very good trade. It is still very good trade to catch its next leg to the upside. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for now I added the gold tier for limited 10 vacant places, and the only difference in between these two tiers is this one. Discord access member will have all the data for the potential trades, for the potential tickers that you should be aware of, but the gold tier members will have the exact setups with the stop loss and take profit orders. They will have the exact notifications when and how they should trade certain asset. On top of that, for each and every member, I will do a weekly 30 minutes Zoom calls in order to answer their question and in order to teach them how to properly use technical analysis and how to be successful trader. That is why, guys, for some of you, this might be a game-changer opportunity, and if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to invest in yourself. And guys, this is the most recent actions in my Discord group. Take a look right here. First of all, I want to show you that it is only 7 vacant places for the gold tier remains right now. And right here you can see that the most recent actions in my Discord group is following. One of my Discord member upgraded his membership to gold tier, and here's his update. Hello Andrew, I upgraded gold to gold because I have learned so much in just 3 weeks, and it is absolutely worth it. I really enhance my skills, and it's a pleasure to have you as my mentor who checks my setups, my counts, and gives much input. And I responded to him, thank you very much, it is only the beginning. I have many ideas about how my gold members can benefit even more. And guys, I made a lot of updates for my Patreons. I made crucial reminders about the events that might drastically impact the price. I made, let me show you, I made quite a few videos on demand on different ticker symbols that I don't publish publicly on YouTube. You can see it is a coin zone, Palantir, MSTR, Tesla, Bitcoin, Teledoc, Porsche, PayPal, Amazon, and others. On top of that, guys, I publish a lot of tutorials with the exact real-time examples how you should or should not trade certain setups. And on top of that, guys, take a look right here. I made even recaps on my tutorials. Here is the result of the actual price action of the setup that I marked previously. And definitely, if you want to enhance your trading skills, guys, you should be a member of this Patreon group, because guys, for now I have only 4 active members, and 3 of them are the gold tier members. That is why, guys, when this tier is full, I will close it, I think, forever, and you will be able only to enter my Discord access, which is also extremely supportive for the traders, because I pretty much show all the details about the conditions of the market and the certain conditions on the asset. The only difference is that these people don't have one-on-one 30-minute Zoom call with me, and they don't have the precise setups that pretty much I take.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and what should we expect next? I have to admit that as usual, you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence, and I think we still have a quite decent chance to hit the level somewhere in between $96.69 and even $107, $108, and then we might have next common leg for pretty much every setup, for every potential option of Palantir's upcoming movements that will retest somewhere around $82 to $83. But everything I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's take a look at some fundamentals of Palantir. We don't have any changes basically from the analytic firms according to MarketBeat. We have some changes from TipRanks, but the price target is still pretty much at the same level at $95.33, which implies about 12.27% of upside potential. And I have to admit that it is a long-term goal, about 12 months price target, according to the most famous, I would say, analytic firms. And to be honest, 12% for Palantir that previously made hundreds of percent within last year alone, it is not so much. But guys, if you know how to properly trade and how to properly manage your position, you can benefit a lot from its volatility. And let me show you another quite interesting tweet right here. This is the Twitter account of Arnie Tracy, and I highly encourage you to follow his Twitter account, because he's a long-term bull on Palantir and he explains a lot from the fundamental standpoint of this company. And he wrote this tweet basically just a couple of days ago. And he wrote, Palantir is down 10% today. Will it go lower? I have no idea. Yet this is what I know for sure. And let me quote you these bullet points in details. The business momentum is unprecedented. AIP has perfect market fit with AIP. The AI agent cycle has only started. That's the most critical S-curve. 3. Palantir has been deploying AI agents for years in any industry and use cases. Who else? 4. Big tech still haven't released a serious challenger to AIP. 5. Still no IPO of comparable companies, Anduril and Databricks. They need high PLTR valuation. 6. The current administration, Dodge included, perfectly aligns with PLTR. Elon loves carb. 7. Palantir's product velocity is increasing. 8. Palantir's brand is exploding. 9. Carb's brand is exploding. 10. Warp speed has the potential to reshape the American deindustrialization. Underrated. 11. Something seems moving in Europe. 3/4 of the press releases are related to Europe. Commercial. Another 11 bullet point, as you can see right here. Tariffs make Palantir's solutions more appealing. What's the impact on my business? 12. PLTR is dropping due to the general repulsion from the high beta stocks. No PLTR specific. 13. Palantir's financial can easily navigate even the worst economic conditions. This is the crucial part of Palantir in my opinion. 14. I am receiving a lot of messages from nervous people. What do you know for sure? Yours truly, Arnie Tracy. And guys, to be honest, if you know how to properly make a technical analysis on certain stocks, you can know for sure what will be the next movement of Palantir. And if you know Arnie Tracy, guys, please show him my channel, and probably I will write him in private, in direct messages, and show him what was and what is my forecast on Palantir. And guys, Take a look right here. 12th bullet point that he wrote is following. PLTR is dropping due to the general repulsion from high beta stocks. No PLTR specific. And guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Guys, let's add the SPY index on this price chart in order to compare Palantir price movements with the broader market. And what do we have right here? Yes, the retracement, the drop of the price of Palantir started exactly at the same point when it started for the broader index for SPY. But guys, take a look right here. Let me show you the most recent movements. So we have a discrepancy. We have a pure discrepancy started from this point. Right here, Palantir hit pretty much its range of support at around, let's say, at the range in between $78.4 to $80 mark. But then SPY index continued its movement to the downside. And again, right here we have lower lows for SPY, but Palantir hit again the same level. Next one, another lower low for SPY index, but Palantir didn't break this asset. And for now, guys, this price action shows that Palantir is not following the broader market, and it has a lot of momentum to retrace to the upside. That is why, guys, be prepared for this movement. And let's take a look at the levels which Palantir might hit within upcoming couple of, let's say, week or week and a half. And they are still the same if you pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, because we've completed all waves A, B, C to the downside. It is the first wave to the downside that basically had to happen, because let's zoom out to a daily time frame and turn off all the tools. Palantir has an extremely parabolic movement that has to have a cool down, and it is happening right now. On top of that, guys, with this range of support, we have all the chances to, let me show you, to see a bounce. And this bounce will be nothing else but a B wave, either on a triangle pattern, but it is too early to make this assumption. Most likely, guys, we have this ABC on a bigger scale. And in this case, if it is the case, we might see lower price action, but right after it hit higher price targets. And how you can benefit out of this movement? We are pretty much at the same level that we were basically 4 days ago, or about a week ago. And this means, guys, you can still accumulate your position with the stop loss slightly below this range of support, and with the price targets that basically you can trim your position starting from 0.382. It is the level of about $96.69, 0.5, and golden pocket range. And this means, guys, you have up to, wait a second, up to 30% of upside potential with about 6% of downside potential within the next several trading sessions. And then, guys, we have to be prepared for its next retest, probably this lowest point within its C wave on a bigger scale, or we might have a bounce out of somewhere here, again about $80 to $84. And if it bounces to the upside, we might see this ABCDE correction that will have a shape of triangle. And then we will diversify these two patterns, and we will know more what will be its next major movement. But in general, guys, we are still unfolding. Let me show you this fourth wave. Let me delete unnecessary tool. I use it to show the price action for one of my students. We are still unfolding this, we are still seeking for this bottom of the fourth wave, and next movement to the upside will be tremendous. It will hit the levels much higher than $170 because it is, let me show you again on daily time frame, let me show you in details. These are the levels that might be hit by the price action of Palantir if, let me show you, if this bottom holds, if it doesn't break $79.73. And you can rely on these price targets in between 174 to, wait a second, 169 all the way up to 220 $3 in the medium and long-term perspective. But for now, guys, we have to confirm that the retracement happened, and we have to confirm its movement to the upside. That is why just subscribe to my channel and wait for my next update on Palantir. See you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born